So here we go, looking at a set of Starrett Multi-Anvil mics, and this is a great case. Got my name on there, wow. But this is an old set, of course, the little leatherette case. But here we go, we open the case, and these are a really unique set of micrometers. And what I'm going to do here is put the box away for a minute. So as you can see here, there's an anvil at the end. And as you can see, that would work really great for measuring a slot to the end of a part. But the real nice thing about these is unscrewing the end here. Gotta love the fine threads, they take forever. And the end pops off. Now what we have is a set of mics with a flat edge. Now what would that be useful for? Well, here's a little part here I brought in just for the sake of demonstration, and if you want to measure a step quickly while you're in the middle of some machining, you can just hold that like this and check a step, much like you would with a set of depth mics. But again, the difference is these will fit places where depth mics won't. So that's one way to do it. You can use it to measure a step. My favorite thing, because these are kind of like three mics in one, this anvil that we unscrewed earlier, we place that back in place and tighten it up. What I love about these, and I use a lot, and these are pretty expensive. I was surprised when I looked at the prices today, but take pin. This is a 3/16 style pin, but this will hold up to like a 5/16 style pin. And look at that. So we screw that in and we check it. It's totally zeroed. What's really nice about this, and I use it a lot, my favorite part, is if I have a piece like this and I want to check a dimension from the edge of a circle or a hole to an edge. Of course, the pin fits in there perfectly, and I can totally measure very accurately what it is from the edge of a part to the edge of a hole. And I use these all the time, and I really rely on these. The only other accurate way to do this would be to, of course, put a pin in this hole instead of gauge blocks and indicate across it. But boy, I'll tell you what, unless I'm trying to do something within, half a thousand or something, I would trust these all day. So as it stands right now, this is 86 thousandths from the edge. I don't know if you can see that, but these are a really, really versatile set of mics, and I use them a lot. And like I said, they're like $240 new and about 150 used. But I recommend them highly, and they're the Starrett ones are awesome. These are about 50 years old, and they're like brand new. And probably use these about 3 times a week. But boy, when I need them, it's like having 3 sets of mics in one. So this is the Tool and Die Guy, and hope this helps you.